decided to head to Kanab, Utah today. Our first stop is the Moqui caves, or the sand caves, and then we're probably going to hit up the animal sanctuary and then coral pink sand dunes. Let's go. So hiking boots or some shoes with really good grip come in handy out there or out here. Yeah, it's pretty steep over there. Somebody with just normal tennis shoes was having a really hard time getting grip on these rocks. So me and Shane in our boots made it easy. So it's also Saturday, so we decided to do these places because they would be less busy probably than some of the national parks and stuff. So we did those earlier in the week, but it's still pretty busy, and this place is right off the side of the road, so it's kind of like, oh, you're doing a road trip and just pull over to see it. So but it's not too bad today to be a Saturday. So these caves are man-made. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's like just sand. You can see it kind of falling as I'm touching it. So it would have been super easy to carve out. So that was the sand caves. We're headed back out. Easy half-a-mile hike. Just need some good grippy shoes to come out here, but that was really cool. On to the next.